Backlink means an anchor text created on different website and that anchor text is pointing out to your website. We can call backlink as a inbound link or incoming link also. So I'm Rufyashta and I'm here to share few Dofollow websites with you. But before sharing some websites with you, let's see in detail what is a backlink is. So here you can see I have created three backlinks on Google entities. You can see here this is Google Drawing and you can see this one is Google Form and here you can see this one is the Google presentation. So I have created backlinks on all these three sites and I have given my anchor tag as Dofollow Backlinks, and when I am clicking on this anchor tag it is redirected to my YouTube channel because I have linked this keyword with my YouTube channel. I am creating backlinks usually for my YouTube channel to get them promote and to get them in YouTube search. Same way we can build backlinks for our website also. Like here I have linked this keyword with my YouTube channel. If I need to build any backlink for my website or my any blog, then I will link this keyword with my particular website or blog, or this keyword can be changed according to the niche of my website or as per I have selected my keywords. So this is what the basic of what are backlinks. If you haven't followed my Google Stacking Backlink playlist, I will provide you the link in the description box. You can check it out. So let's start our today's video and I'm going to share three websites with you. So as you can see, our first website has domain authority of 46 and spam score is only 4% spam score. And the building of backlink on this website is very simple. You can see sign up option here. Click on the sign up. It will take a little bit time to get the web page load. So as you can see, our page has been loaded successfully. So now we have to click on try it free option, and here you can see we have an option to fill this form, or you can also sign up here with the Facebook account. So I am choosing this form option. So after filling this form, just click on continue button, and then you need to fill all this information regarding your name, and yes, this one is mandatory and rest all are optional. So click on save, and here you supposed to add your profile photo. So you can click here choose file, and I am uploading my logo, and now just click on save photo. So now you can see the dashboard of this website seems like this. So here you can build multiple backlinks and one referring domain is for sure from this website. So here you can see the option, and before using this one option you can complete your profile and obtain one backlink from profile also. So in this form you can obtain one backlink from profile and multiple backlinks from posting small social media updates here, just like you are using Facebook. The same way you supposed to use this website. So let us post one mini update here. So here you just need to copy your content and paste here, and whatever the website link or YouTube channel link or any blog post link you can link here. So I am using this option add link and pasted my YouTube channel here, and click on attach and then click on share. So you can see I have achieved one backlink from this website. So just click here on your profile name. So by scrolling this web page, you can see on the left side here you can see options of posting blog, videos, photos, your any product. If you are promoting any product website, you can use this option. You can post stories, audios, classified, so multiple options you can see this website is providing. So you can take advantage of this website and create multiple backlinks and drive organic traffic to your website. So if I talk about the name of this website, you can see the name of this website is uniquethis.com, and moreover this website is also providing do follow backlink. So you can see I am using a Mozbar extension and clicked on followed, and here my backlink is do follow backlink. So I hope this website works for you and you will build your backlink on this website. Our second website's domain authority is 46 and spam score is only 2% spam score. And building backlink on this website is also very simple. So on top bar right hand side you can see we have the option of sign up. So just click on sign up and then you will get multiple options to get sign up on this website. So we have option for Gmail account, Twitter account or GitHub account, or you can use this form also. So I am using my Gmail account option. So my account has been created on this website, and now you can see on the top bar right hand side my username is reflecting, and we have a drop down with my username also. So I am clicking on the drop down and now click on the profile. Now here you can see we have an option of edit. Now click here on the drop down icon and now click on profile. Now you can see your email is reflecting here, your full name is reflecting here. Now just put your website's URL in this option. So as you know, I am building backlinks for my YouTube channel. So I am inserting my YouTube channel link here, and you can also upload your profile photo, and after completing all these steps you supposed to click on save button. So here you can see my backlink is ready, and by using Moz extension you can see we have achieved do follow backlink again on this our second website. And if I talk about the name of this website, you can see the name of the website is gettogether.community. Gettogether.community is our second website. Building backlink on our third website is also very simple. You can find register option on the left side. So click on this register option and choose your any random date of birth, and I have chosen random date of birth here and clicked on proceed. And here you have to tick on this checkbox and then click on register. And now you have to fill this form. So I have completed this form and now clicking on complete registration. So they have sent me an verification email on my email ID. You can see we have received a verification email. Now just click on this link. So currently my account has been under moderation, but still we can build link. Let us try. Click on the user control panel and click here edit your details and just put your URL here. So I have inserted my YouTube channel link here, and you can fill below information as well. Now I am saving, and now just click on here your username. So you can't see your live link right now, but this website is also providing do follow backlink, and the domain authority you can see it has 41 domain authority and only 2% spam score. So you can check out this website. And if I talk about the name of this website, you can see blowoutforums.com. blowoutforums.com is our today's third website. So I hope today's video is quite beneficial for you. So if you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe my channel.